Dude, someone hot.
Bro, just look out the window.
What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
Bro.
I'm just trying to go straight.
McDonald's. Nathan.
Chillax, yeah?
Yo, what's going on, guys? We're about to prank Nathan, and let's just jump right into the video. Make sure you guys like, and let's reach 100 likes. I'm playing Matter right now. Peace out.
Oh, Isaac.
We're almost there.
Isaac.
I'll see you. I bet. He's actually not here. He's in LA.
Alright, guys, you know what's going on? We're waiting for Isaac.
Oh my gosh,
There he is. What a blessing from God. Oh, wrong way. Can't use it. Okay, we're gonna go. Nahum!
got anal cancer, bro?
Is that even a word?
I never watch your videos. Never.
Oh, dang.
You guys unfollow me, I unfollowed you guys. You guys gotta follow back, bro. Follow back.
By the way, if you're on our Instagram, we're not following anyone anymore. Just if you like our video or like our content.
Bruh.
What?
Yeah.
Hey, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yo guys, quick shout out, Nathan.
Good?
If you guys want free ice cream, hit up your boy Nathan. Right, Nathan?
Actually, next week is my last week, so.
Limited time.
Alright, never mind. No, limited time. You have till next what? When?
We're probably gonna post it next week, dude.
Yeah, I know. By the time you're seeing this, Nathan's probably gone from Cold Stone.
Sí, ya valió madre.
Our viewers probably don't know what that means.
Huh? It doesn't. I'm Spanish. I'm a Spanish boy.
Spanish boy.
Sí, señor. Yo soy de rancho.
Yeah.
Bro, I got accepted.
You got accepted?
To where?
Violet?
No! Oh my god, you got accepted. Nahum! I'm so proud of you. This man was trying so hard to get accepted. Dude, why didn't you tell me? I've been in the car with you.
I was sleeping. Yeah, I was waiting to like tell
You didn't even tell
everyone.
me.
I was waiting.
You didn't even tell your own brother.
Hey, stop.
No. Yo, you guys know what ideas come into mind? Fake employee Cold Stone prank. Imagine.
Nahum could do it.
I'll do it.
Actually, I'm sure with my manager, and she'll be down.
She'll be down?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's for Make-A-Wish Foundation. If this video gets 100 likes, we'll do the fake Cold Stone prank.
Ever since Isaac got
Yeah, so maybe next year we'll do it.
Wait, where are we going?
Hey, we're going to Better Buzz, right? Trying to get some coffee?
Where's it at?
Trying to get some food?
Dude, I'm hungry. I'm hungry too.
You want
Shit.
tacos? I haven't tacos
Tacos
yet.
LG? Fine, I'm down. Hey, let's get tacos LG. Shut up, man.
Anal cancer.
Alright guys, so little background story. Isaac actually has anal cancer, right?
I have anal cancer.
So,
I be taking
so
mad
if you guys are
drugs.
watching this, support Isaac by subscribing.
Hold up. I'll give y'all my Venmo. It's just
GoFundMe right now.
Nahum H. Lee. No. I'm the one who has anal cancer. I need help.
Yeah.
Hey, when's your surgery?
Oh yeah.
I have a checkup tomorrow with the surgeon. Hopefully they do it right then and there.
You're not getting it done in TJ, right? They'll mess you up there.
Nah, dude.
Pedestrians always have the right of way.
No running with their mom.
Stop being a douche. Alright, we're out here. Sponsor. Shout out to Tacos LG for this paid sponsorship over here. Let's get it. Oh, this was good, huh?
Yeah, I'm so happy. Damn, you know what it's like to pay?
What are you doing? He's all camera shy. He's camera shy. He's nervous.
Nice.
It's right around Nathan, but like,
Just
like
like
street. Wait, my hat. Wait up.
You better hurry up.
Alright guys, so quick insight here. This is where me and Nahum go in the back of the car and put up the sign. And hopefully Nathan and Isaac didn't suspect anything, so let's go on with the video.
Alright, dude, just drive slow and don't make it fall. Dude, okay. Oh my gosh, dude.
Dude, oh my gosh.
No, dude, just pause. Dude. Come on, dude.
I know, like, come on. It's like, come on. We're lagging, bro. It's because it's the same one. It's the same. It's been the same one.
Oh my gosh, dude. Do something. Dude, okay, what is going on? Alright, I guess it's gonna be carpool karaoke.
Pull up to the McDonald's, I gotta pee. People suck, bro.
Dude, yeah, no one has balls, dude.
No. Dude.
Right? Let's switch lanes, switch lanes, switch lanes.
Yeah, I gotta do that.
Let's switch lanes. But okay, check your blind spots,
I
right?
am, but he's not in there. I can change.
We're someone honked.
No, someone honked, right?
No.
Alright, let's have a deep philosophical question.
No, no,
What came
no.
first, the chicken or the egg?
The chicken, dummy.
God, fool.
How do you know? Were you there?
No, not
Do the Illuminati music.
Why'd you close my window?
Dude, I'm putting the air on.
Dude, someone honked.
Girl, just look out the window.
Dude, why are they honking at you?
Why are they honking? He just said hi, dude.
What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
Bro.
I'm just trying to go straight.
Why are they honking at you?
Dude, he literally honked and just went like that to me. So I was like, dude, back. What'd you do?
Dude,
I
what are
didn't
you
do
doing?
anything.
Dude, just make sure you drive. Green light.
Go. Jeez, what is your problem?
What's your problem? What are you doing, dude?
What do you mean what I'm doing?
People are honking at you.
Just
Dude,
make
we're
sure-
literally getting this on camera. What the heck? Alright, we'll check the footage later. What the frick?
I don't even know what I did.
Why is that dude looking at me?
Yeah, I know.
Hey,
Dude,
drive
literally,
closer.
are you driving weird?
I don't know. I'm not doing anything.
I don't feel it, but are you driving weird? People are. Did you see it?
He's Asian.
Yeah,
He was literally just staring at it.
Stare back, stare back.
Well, then where's the McDonald's?
I don't even know where McDonald's is.
No, wait, Isaac.
Isaac.
What, the fat guy?
No.
The
No, you live in this area. Towards the East Lake McDonald's. Nathan.
Chillax, yeah?
Nathan, what are you doing?
Dude, okay, that's why they
my.
freaking honk.
Okay,
at
this guy's honking at me to go to the right.
Well, tell me! Dude, we're actually getting this? Are we actually getting this?
Nathan, what did you do?
What'd you do?
I'm not doing anything.
Nathan, well, you need to fix something.
Did you guys put something in the trunk?
No.
Is our hand sticking out?
Because you guys were taking a
Dude,
long
windows
time.
are closed, bro. We're fixing the essay.
See that? You stopped with me, huh? I'm down. Dude, what are you
Dude,
doing?
green just turned. It just turned green, buddy.
What?
I don't know why they're honking at me.
Is it the same guy?
No, someone else.
No, it's everybody's different.
Everyone just saw you're Asian. They're like, bro, should we do that?
Blur Isaac out the whole
Hey,
time.
blur me
Hey,
out.
and every time.
3, 2, 1.
Blur.
And every time he talks, we just put Patrick in the background. Literally, you can see everything and like here, and I just blurred out up here, dude.
Alright, you guys put something in the trunk.
Why?
Because somebody's recording back there.
For real?
Yeah.
They're recording. Why are they recording us?
I don't know.
Who the hell are they?
I have no idea.
Alright, what you guys put?
I didn't put anything.
Alright, if I find something back there, I'm gonna beat you guys up.
Like what?
Okay, you're just gonna find his computer and the canvas, dude.
No, they're freaking recording.
Are you?
Did you do
well,
so-
you are swerving
Did
a
you
little bit.
Dude, is one of your headlights out? Dude, no one's freaking recording. What are you talking about?
How'd you know they were recording us?
Cause I can see the freaking back mirror, dude.
I see your big head. Are you feeling? He's like all skeptical. Hey, he's all like scared now, huh?
What?
Oh, dude.
Relax, dude.
Relax,
Just stop
dude.
swerving. You'll be
Relax.
good. Swerving. You'll be good.
See a meme?
Relax.
That wasn't a meme.
You shave, bro. Dude, you always miss some freaking patches.
I just shaved my beard. Did you guys notice?
You have barely noticed your hair, dude.
I shaved my beard. There was one hair here, one hair here, and I just shaved. Progress, dude. I'm a man.
Oh yeah, I know that place. It's right next to Cold Stone, right?
Yeah.
Cafe Taza sounds like Mexican.
I gotta do my word.
Dude, they're honking at you.
Dude, why'd she look at you like that?
She gave me that dirty look.
No, I literally turned around. I was like, damn,
She
the
gave me that
dirtiest
dirty
look
Seriously, what the
ever.
frick did you guys put back there?
The dirtiest look ever. That's a rap song,
Dude. Dude, you don't even notice it, but you're swerving.
Swerving. Keep clear.
Keep clear. What are you doing?
3
We're gonna
laws
honk at you.
broken.
We're gonna honk at you.
Okay, are you swerving to his lane?
I'm not.
Alright, then drive safer, dude. God dang. Dude.
Oh, are they still honking at you?
It's like everywhere now.
I know.
What is going on?
Fix your driving, bro.
Dude, wait.
Dude, whoever gave you a license should be medicated. Nathan, pull over and I'll drive for you if that's what you need.
Oh, he's trying to race.
Oh, he's trying to race.
Dude, he's trying to race.
That's
why it was all key.
Hey, just grab
Yeah.
Go dad, beat him.
Yo.
Flip him off.
Let's go. Oh!
Challenge.
Yo! No, Isaac, no.
No.
Look.
Dude! Zoom in on him. Jackie, it up.
You suck, dude.
Yo!
Hey!
Alright, where's the finish line? I
I think we won. Isaac.
Oh my god.
Don't.
I think we won.
Yes.
I knew it.
We got no.
Camaro? It's still a Camaro.
People trying to race.
Dude, they're trying to race. Skirt.
Dude,
I didn't.
left and right, bro.
Egghead.
M-L-M-N. Dude, I get those two mixed up. It's M-L-N, right?
LMN.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, L, M, N, okay. Alright, we're at McDonald's. Thanks for tuning in.
What? You knew? Uh-oh. What is he? He wants to check.
Please.
Wow. Wow.
Yo,
we got him good. We got him good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He didn't even suspect anything. We got him so good. We got him good.
Rewind.
Oh my gosh. Wait.